Goal Orlando Pirates. I told you they are not a well-structured team, right? Then I'm gonna bring it back. What a touch, Mfukeng. What a touch. Let me take it back. Simple defending, simple. This team is not well structured. Ball goes to the right back. Look at these three. Now, I want you to focus on Mfukeng. Mfukeng is here, right? So he makes his run here. So this midfielder can't go there. Not good, he can't. He shouldn't go there. The center back must go there. Angithi bayithula. Bayithula. So he should go. Instead, wenzani? He wants to play an offside trap. Why? Uyambona umuntu, he's making a run. Why? Cabanga all this isikhathi anaso Mfukeng to trap, pass, look, abafethu.